but I try to be precise, yes. My role now at the moment, I'm a motocross manager in the Fantic racing factory teams. I cannot plan everything, and many things you have to solve quickly, but I try to be precise, yes. Motocross still very wild sport with a lot of different technique, sand, mud, fast tracks, slow tracks, and the feeling of the rider still the biggest things to understand and to ask. After that, of course, I really think then being a professional rider for many years can help me to understand the feeling and the feedback they gave it to the team and to the technician. You need a device, the data logger device is something you need for collect the data and put on your PC, analyze it later on. That is something you need to have, and also everybody at the moment in new motocross, we can say new motorsports have, and that is something help you for go forward and quicker as possible. Actually, I don't know what I'm expecting, because we have many disciplines as a motorsport, MotoGP, Formula 1, where the technology right in the moment is massive, and motocross still, like I said before, a bit genuine, a bit wild, but the technology is start to get serious into the motocross, and then is affecting the results. I'm expecting is coming more and more technology, but honestly I'm expecting the key will be also to use the technology with some old school style, how the motocross is born with the ground, the mud, the sand, the dust and the feeling of the rider, everything, you know, together with the technology. That can be improvement. If the technology coming too massive without following the rider feeling, the rider skills, that will be not super, my point of view. Passion. One word is the passion. I mean, looks strange to say, actually it is a work, because stay away at home and work and think about motocross almost every hours and every day cannot be only a work, but it is. What pushed me to do it is the passion. Started a long time ago when I was a kid and was riding through all my professional career. Also now I have the passion to follow the young rider from the European, give some tips to the MotoGP riders, try to find out the best balance between the factory engineers and the team, discover the person, team owners, mechanics working really well, improving myself. All that is coming from passion.